Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. And I was sent this free for review. This is from La Boutique. And La Boutique is something that I had not heard of before. They have wonderful skincare. And I am excited to open this. It's beautifully packaged. So I wanted to open it in front of you so you can see what it's about. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the company. This is a female-owned business. And it says that the founder says, what they sent me was Evening Body Serum. I created Evening Body Serum to be a multitasker like you, to promote calmness while supporting skin wellness, a balance of beauty and function. My intention is for it to allow a few moments solely for you, amidst the delicate juggle of crazy, busy days and evenings full of activities. Let me show you what it is and then I'll tell you more about it. Look at this box, y'all. This is how it came. It's very sturdy, beautiful. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like a gradient, sort of goes from black to green. Very beautiful box. And it was sealed and I cut that open. And it's nicely put together. Oh, how pretty. Okay, when you open it, look at how beautifully that's packaged. Very pretty. Beautiful tissue and sticker there. Oh, look at it. And then when you open it up, there's a card in there. It says, Mary, thank you for your purchase. You are the reason we do what we do. Plant this card for a little more joy and a lot of less stress. Oh wow, this card is, you can see it's like a seed card. So you'll get that when you buy something from them. Moisten card and plant just under the surface of some soil in a sunny spot. Water regularly and watch the seeds sprout. Oh, that's exciting. I love those kinds of cards. And then this is the product in there. Look at how well it's packaged, how well it's wrapped up and babied. Let's see. Okay, Smudge, look at how nicely that's done. Okay, Smudge, sit back, love, sit back. Okay, let's see. This is the beautiful package. It matches the box. Let me put that tissue away. Of course, Smudge has come over to check out the box. So he'll probably get it later. It's a nice box though. I like to maybe use that in my closet for things. So this is La Boutique Evening Body Serum. It's 3.4 ounces, 100 mLs. And it is vegan and cruelty free. It's a luxurious, fast-absorbing serum designed to work as you unwind at night, made with 8 essential oils and 6 nutrient-rich botanicals. It's deeply hydrating and contains vitamin E and omega-3, 6, and 9 essential fatty acids for beautiful, nourished skin. Enjoy an indulgent escape from modern-day stress. Okay, so this is, it says massage into damp, clean skin after bathing, or massage into skin before a warm bath, or apply to skin of the neck, throat, and wrists 20 minutes before bed. So it's gonna smell fabulous. Okay, it's very nicely boxed and wrapped in here. And it's beautiful. Beautiful packaging. And let's see, it's you can see it looks like a nice oil. And I'll just put a little on my hand and then on the back of my hand, I'll smell it. Okay, to pump it a little bit to prime it, okay. It does smell like essential oils. Oh, it's really nice. If you can see, it's a nice oil. So, oh wow. It is it has the notes. I have the notes. It says that it helps captivate the senses while alleviating anxiety and quieting the mind with yuzu, Palo Santo, jasmine, and cardamom notes. Perfect for restoring equilibrium to your senses whenever you need a minute to yourself. It is a moment of mindfulness to enhance your well-being. So like the founder, Denise, said, this is something that you can do for yourself before you go to bed to help you rest. And it's really nice. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it for a week or so, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think of it, okay? So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so it's a week later. I've been using this product for 7 days at night, the Evening Body Serum by La Boutique. And you can see there's not much gone. I used 2 pumps of this each night. I put it on, what I did was I put it on the back of my hands, and then I rub it in this way, put it on my wrists, and put it on my neck, like sort of under my ears so that the scent would come up. And I will tell you, it's strong. The scent is strong, and I wasn't sure about it at first, but it is relaxing. And you can use it also as a massage oil. And let's see. And you know, for other things, I would use this on my legs to hydrate my legs and things like that also, because you can see it's going to last a long while, because that's just a week's use. There's hardly any gone. So I thought it was very nice. It does moisturize very, very nicely. It feels good, and it does. I can smell those nice flowers in there, the yuzu and the jasmine. So going to bed and then having that right here and having that on my wrist, on my pulse points, I could really smell it, and it did help me to relax. So it's up to you if you like to do that kind of thing before you go to bed. But it's like she said, it's like Denise said, the founder of La Boutique, it sort of forces you to take a few minutes for yourself at night. Just a little bit. That's what I tell you all the time. Take a few minutes a day if you can. If not, at least a half an hour once a week, at least, you know, when we do Mask Monday or something like that, okay? So y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing this beautiful product, and count your blessings. Take care. Bye-bye.